Welcome to the Outdoor Chef channel. Today, we're bringing you a delicious recipe for grilled mussel skewers that you can make outdoors. We'll show you step by step how to prepare it. And of course, it's going to taste amazing. Be sure to watch until the end of the video for the full recipe and more tasty ideas. Let's get started. Skewer the cleaned and washed mussels and prepare them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Be the first to know about our latest recipes. Two eggs. One cup of flour. Two tablespoons of cornstarch. 1 bottle of mineral water. 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the sauce ingredients well. If the sauce is too thick, add some mineral water. If it's too runny, add flour to adjust the consistency. Stir until you achieve a smooth and thick sauce. Pour the sauce into a large bowl. Dip the mussel skewers one by one into the sauce, then carefully place them into the hot oil to start frying. Flip them occasionally to ensure they cook evenly until golden brown. If you enjoyed the recipes you discovered on the Outdoor Chef channel, leave your comments and let us know where you're watching from. Don't forget to explore our page for more delicious recipes. As Outdoor Chef, I prepare delicious meals in various settings, sometimes in boat kitchens, sometimes in home kitchens, and other times in nature, by the seaside. I aim to offer you an unforgettable culinary experience with different recipes in different environments. Stay with me, and together we'll create wonders in the kitchen. Fry all the mussel skewers in the same way until they turn golden brown. Make sure each one cooks evenly by flipping them occasionally. Once done, carefully remove them and prepare for serving. Serve with your favorite sauces, salad, and garnishes like chopped onions. If you like, you can also serve them with potato chips to enhance the flavor. These delicious mussel skewers will offer a perfect taste experience when paired with a variety of garnishes. Thank you for watching Outdoor Chef. Don't forget to explore the other delicious recipes on our page.